Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing pink avatar. Let's get right into it. So we're going to be using our Athena palette. So I just usually use some setting spray. I spray it right where I want, and then I'll just go like this. And then we're going to make our whole face pink. So this is going to take a minute. It's going to take a while. Make sure to try to really get in the hairline. That way it actually looks a little bit more real. Literally put it everywhere and then just puff it off. It's gonna dull the pink a little bit, but we're gonna do another layer anyways. So this is with the second layer on. As you can see, it's a lot less patchy. Make sure to do your ears too. I'm gonna do a second layer on the ears. To absolutely make sure there's no patches, I'm just literally going in like this and just going anywhere as I see any type of patch that I want to get rid of. So we're all pink and we're all set. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pink brush and we're gonna wet the white and we're gonna mix it in there, and then we're gonna highlight some areas. A little sponge from the dollar store. I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of setting spray. And then what we're going to do is basically just puff it in. That way the color just actually gets to actually merge here. I'm gonna be using this Sephora eyeliner. It's in the shade really hot pink. And we're gonna draw on some lines here, So we're gonna start doing the lines. I like to start with the middle line the most, just because it's hard to do. But once you have that, it's much easier to line up everything else. Now for the neck, we'll be using this angled brush and we'll be using Grab Drinks, and I'm just gonna elongate these lines and fix them up a little bit. Right down the middle. Lovely. And I'm just going to really get them nice and straight and very in your face. So the stripes are all on, but what we're going to do now is we're going to blend a little bit of area in between each spot with the red. So basically just like this, okay, just really slight, just to kind of give it like, that actually is just the natural skin tone, and it's going to fade in a bit. So what we're doing is just going in circular motions just to kind of give it a little bit of extra dimension here. Now, let's smoke out the eyes a little bit, just to give it a little bit of dimension here. And we're using the same color as we did for the stripes. Do a little bit on the under eye as well, just to make the eye look a little bit bigger. So I had to fix the nose. It's supposed to go in like that instead of up. But now what we're going to do is we're going to smoke out this side of the nose really nicely. That way it makes my nose look more of like a straight nose rather than my nose. So now let's contour the chin slightly, just like this, and right here as well, to make it seem a little bit smaller. And then also for the lips, bring it out like this. Lovely. Kind of gives it more of like a real different shape. And like this. And smoke out the underneath as well. And right there. And we'll put some highlighter there to really fix it up. So now we're going to be using this shade right here, Pink Leather. And we are going to use it basically like as our concealer. So basically like go in here really nice. We're going to put it right here as well. This is going to really give our face some real dimension here. We're also going to put some like right here as well, coming right down the nose to really highlight this area, to really make it pop as well. Lovely. Some right here, because you really want your lips to pop. Lovely. Some right there and right here. And then lastly, a little bit right there, a little right there. We're also going to put some like right here, right up against the middle line, just to really make it seem like we actually have some real contour going on. Some right in here as well. And just kind of fade it out like that. And fade it out up here as well. We're also going to add some right here to also give the face some dimension. And we are also adding some right there, like a highlight spot. And make sure to put some right above this line, right in the middle too, like right here. as well, and then right above this one. Lovely. So add some actually like right here as well, and some right here. For some reason it's just making these lines pop, so we are going with it. So for the nose, we're actually going to use this pink as well, and we're just going to keep going and going until it looks super, super, super light. Adding a little bit right here as well. Now we're going to be adding dots. I'm using Danessa Merrick's Colorfix in the shade Lift. We are using nail art pens, and we are going to add a whole bunch of dots. Yay! I'm going to add smaller circles with this one. Gonna do a few right here. So all the dots are on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the She Glam highlighter and we are going to put it on our eye, just right here, just to give us more of a spectacular look. Since this is such a dramatic look, we are literally doing 2016 brows. I am using this angled brush, this dark, dark brown, and we are going in for it. So I'm feeling really dramatic for this lip liner, eyeliner, no lip liner. And we are using like a dark red. So definitely like bigger than my actual lip, but just barely. I changed my mind. We're just doing regular lips. We're not gonna over. We're going in with this shimmery shade from Sephora. And now I'm gonna do my hair. And this is the final outcome. I am so impressed with myself. I'm so happy. I hope you liked it. Please share, please sub. It would really help my channel grow, and I just want to retire my husband. I hope you have a great day. Bye.